We reviewed your photos, offered a ballpark, and agreed on a target renovation budget. For roughly half of our customers with smaller projects and home repairs, we can go straight to contract in most cases. For the other half, we're going to ask to schedule an on-site visit where a member of our field staff or our project consultation team will come out to write up a detailed scope of work, taking measurements along with any additional photos we need, discussing design elements and your preferences, and collecting any additional information we're going to need in order to properly write up that scope of work and a contract to complete your project. If you're having any pressing problems, we may attempt to apply a temporary patch until we can sign an agreement and schedule our crew to make a proper repair. Upon returning to the office, our field staff will work together with our office team to secure material quotes from our suppliers and prepare a formal proposal or a home improvement agreement in accordance with Pennsylvania Consumer Protection Law and email that over to you. We typically charge a proposal fee in line with the estimated billable hours required to do the above work to prepare our proposal for your project. These fees range anywhere from $185 to $2,500 depending on the scope of work. We do accept proposal fee payments online through our secure payment portal. We'll include a link in the video description. We are typically about 10 to 15 business days out in scheduling these on-site visits in the spring, summer, and fall seasons from the date we receive your payment. Upon submitting your payment, please reach out to our office staff and share your general availability for the following 2 to 3 weeks, whether you work during the day or you're available in the mornings or whatever the case may be. Depending on how responsive our suppliers are, we typically have a formal proposal or a home improvement agreement back to you within 14 to 21 days of our on-site visit. We'll ask you to sign that and return it typically with a 1/3 deposit so that we can order materials for your project and begin to schedule the work. There's a tremendous amount of demand for contractors and home improvement services right now, so there are times when our suppliers are delayed in responding to our material quote request. If you send that signed agreement back to us within 30 days along with your deposit, in most cases we're going to credit that proposal fee towards the project. If you don't reply promptly, we're going to use that fee to offset some of the payroll expense associated with the work involved in coming out to gather the measurements, price materials, etc. Please note, material prices are changing frequently and most prices cannot be guaranteed. There are some instances where rather than a proposal fee, we'll charge a non-refundable consultation or design fee or diagnostic fee for the expertise that our team is going to be providing, and this is generally not credited towards any project quote we may provide. We explain this in our article titled, "Do You Give Free Estimates?" which we'll link to in the description. Cope is not the cheapest contractor in our area. However, we are one of the most reputable providers of home improvement services here in southern Chester County, Pennsylvania, and it would be our pleasure to serve as your guide on this journey. If you have questions about our process, please give our dedicated office staff a call weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Let's talk about what goes into a home improvement agreement that complies with the Pennsylvania Consumer Protection laws here in Step 8.